Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to turn off your ice maker on your Whirlpool fridge. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to make ice on your fridge. How do you actually go ahead and turn off the ice maker? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and open up your freezer door. Afterwards, you're going to see your ice bucket here. You want to go ahead and tilt it out and then lift it up. So we're going to go ahead and tilt it out. And afterwards, we're going to lift it straight up. So with it, we're just going to go ahead and place our ice bucket right on the table over there. Then afterwards, on the inside here, you're going to see this little switch button that says on or off. So if you turn this off, that is going to go ahead and turn off your ice maker. Okay, so that button right over there. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off your ice maker on your Whirlpool fridge. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.